Hi. Today I really wanted to talk about money as it relates to the holidays, as it relates to life. Christmas is a really interesting time because we get to kind of quantify our relationships and we get to quantify how much cash we have around, how much we want to spend on who's Christmas presents and who gets Christmas presents and all that jazz. So it's an interesting mental exercise to kind of get to go through how much you want to spend on who and how the family is going to divvy up the gifts and this and that. And one thought that I've been having a lot lately, but have had over the last few years, is the shift from the physical money economy to the energetic economy. And what I'm realizing is that, something that costs someone €2 or $2 might be just as joyful as something that would have cost $100. So that one is kind of an obvious one. But also when we are going through divorces or any kind of, a financial hardship, there are some of you who are the most amazing, incredible, giving, generous people who have dedicated your lives to serving others, and you don't have cash in the bank. And I think it's easy to get a feeling of powerlessness or worthlessness when it's time for the holidays and you've got to buy gifts for people and you just really can't afford it, but you feel the need to, put on the Christmas dinner and get the tree and get the decorations and all of that stuff. Or Hanukkah or whatever holiday you're celebrating, there's that pressure put on. And so our departure away from the currency economy is going to be, I think, a really healthy one. A lot of people are talking about blockchain as a means of exchanging, but also I just want to share that in the last few weeks, I have received kind of the most beautiful, energetic gifts from people who have felt like I have given them something. So I've helped out a friend and they just sent me over, $2,000. Fantastic. Great. I've helped out another friend and I got, stuff taken care of for my house. Amazing stuff that I never could have done myself, like handyman kind of stuff. I've gotten music from friends. And if you know me, I love music. That is the best gift ever. I've gotten poetry. I've gotten people helping me build my course, people who are really adept at business, volunteering their time to help me, and all of these things as part of the energetic economy because I gave of my expertise and time. They give of their gifts and talents, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. I don't need, money. I don't need a gift. I mean, I will need money for certain things, but for the most part, I'm just happy to get that energetic gift. And then when I have excess, to be able to give to somebody else is such a joyful feeling, such a wonderful feeling. So I wanted to share that because I know that it's really hard to feel powerless and worthless and poor when you don't have money in the bank account. So let me just say this. You are wealthy, you are abundant, you are full of talents and gifts. Why not value yourself that way and give to people that way? Sometimes it's far more valuable than any other knickknack you could have gotten them for the holidays. Giving of your wonderful talents, something someone else could never do for themselves. So just reminding you, you're abundant. Bye.